When you think of Pakistan, what comes to mind? For many, it's a land of mystery, often seen through the narrow lens of news headlines. But today, we're going to peel back those layers and discover the real Pakistan, a country bursting with vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and some of the most hospitable people you will ever meet. From the snow-capped peaks of the Karakoram to the sun-drenched shores of the Arabian Sea. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the heart and soul of this incredible nation, its people, and its rich cultural tapestry. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the people. With a population of over 230 million, Pakistan is the fifth most populous country in the world. But this isn't just a number, it's a kaleidoscope of ethnicities. The major groups include Punjabis, Pashtuns, Sindhis, Saraikis, Mahajers, and Balochs, each with their own unique language, customs, and history. This diversity is Pakistan's greatest strength. Walk through the bustling streets of Lahore in Punjab, and you'll be swept up in a whirlwind of energy, amazing food, and a love for arts and literature. Travel north to Peshawar, the heartland of the Pashtuns, and you'll experience the legendary Pashtunwali Code of Honor, which emphasizes hospitality and courage. Head south to the province of Sindh, and you'll find a culture deeply connected to the ancient Indus Valley Civilization and Sufi mysticism. One of the most defining characteristics of Pakistani culture is its profound emphasis on hospitality, or mehman nawazi. It's not just a tradition, it's a way of life. If you're a guest in a Pakistani home, you are treated with the utmost respect and generosity. You'll be offered the best food, the most comfortable seat, and endless cups of chai. It's not uncommon for strangers to invite you for a meal or to help you find your way without expecting anything in return. This warmth stems from deep-seated cultural and religious values that see guests as a blessing. So, don't be surprised if a casual conversation on the street ends with an invitation to a family wedding. This spirit of giving and sharing is a cornerstone of the Pakistani identity. Now, let's talk about something that truly unites the nation: food. Pakistani cuisine is a tantalizing fusion of South Asian, Central Asian, and Middle Eastern flavors. It's rich, it's spicy, and it's incredibly diverse. Each region has its specialty. In Punjab, you can't miss the rich and flavorful nihari or the world-famous Lahori charga, which are large, spicy meat patties cooked to perfection. Down in Sindh, you'll find the legendary Sindhi biryani, a fragrant rice dish layered with meat and potatoes that's a celebration in every bite. And let's not forget the street food. Family is the bedrock of Pakistani society. The concept of a joint family system, where multiple generations live together, is still common, especially in rural areas. This creates a powerful support network. Elders are deeply respected for their wisdom and experience, and their guidance is sought in all major life decisions. Which marks the end of Ramadan or during weddings, which are extravagant, multi-day affairs. A Pakistani wedding is a spectacle of color, music, and tradition. Pakistani clothing is a beautiful expression of its cultural heritage. The shalwar kameez is the national dress, worn by both men and women. It's a comfortable and elegant outfit consisting of loose trousers, the shalwar, and a long tunic, the kameez. For women, this is often paired with a dupatta, a long, flowing scarf. The designs can range from simple and practical for daily wear to incredibly ornate and hand-embroidered for special occasions. Pakistan's textile industry is renowned for its quality fabrics and intricate designs. From the block prints of Sindh to the delicate embroidery of Punjab, this artistic flair extends beyond clothing. Truck art is a uniquely Pakistani phenomenon, where trucks and buses are transformed into moving canvases, adorned with elaborate paintings, calligraphy, and decorations. It's a vibrant folk art form that makes any road trip through Pakistan a visual delight. Music and literature are the soul of Pakistan. The country has a rich poetic tradition. with legendary poets like Allama Iqbal and Faiz Ahmed Faiz, whose words continue to inspire millions. This love for poetry is woven into the fabric of everyday life. The mystical tradition of Sufism has also had a profound influence, giving birth to Qawwali, a powerful and hypnotic form of devotional music. Performers like the late great Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan brought Qawwali to the global stage, mesmerizing audiences with his incredible vocal range and spiritual energy. In the modern era, shows like Coke Studio have redefined Pakistani music. Of course, no discussion about Pakistani culture is complete without mentioning cricket. It's more than just a sport, it's a national obsession. The passion is electrifying. A victory is celebrated with fireworks and dancing in the streets, while a loss is mourned with collective heartbreak. The rivalry with India is legendary, creating one of the most intense and watched sporting events in the world. Cricket unites people from all walks of life, transcending ethnic and social divides. It's a powerful symbol of national pride and a shared passion that binds the nation together. Beyond the cities and towns, the natural beauty of Pakistan is simply breathtaking. Boasting three of the world's highest mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Karakoram, and the Hindu Kush. Here you'll find K2, the second highest peak on Earth. The landscape is a stunning panorama of jagged peaks. Turquoise lakes like Lake Saif-ul-Mulk and Atabad Lake, and lush green valleys like Hunza and Swat. But Pakistan's geography is incredibly diverse. Travel south and you'll find the vast Khalistan and Thar deserts, the rugged coastline of Balochistan, and the fertile plains of the Indus River. This geographical diversity has not only shaped the different lifestyles and cultures within the country, but also offers an incredible range of experiences for any traveler. As we've journeyed through the heart of Pakistan, where the warmth of the people is as striking as the beauty of the landscapes. It's a nation of poets, artists, and storytellers, united by family, faith, and a shared love for food and cricket. The real Pakistan is not found in headlines. Thank you so much for joining me on this cultural exploration of Pakistan. I hope this has given you a new perspective on this fascinating country. If you enjoyed this journey, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into cultures from around the world. See you in the next one.